Hello everybody, welcome to the new workshop. So, I've been asked to do a couple videos around workshop setup. So I'm going to start up a new series here on the channel, here at Christ Centered Ironworks, about workshop setup, tool placement, and things like that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and point this out right at the very beginning. Just because I lay out my tools a certain way may not be the smartest way or the best way to take and do your own workshop. You really need to take and set up your workshop for your own needs and your own purposes. But as you can see, I have a great amount of space here. I can walk back. You guys can watch me slowly disappear way back in the shop, walk clear back here to the other end. I'm not even at the back wall yet. There's a lot of junk in the way. I'm still about 8 feet or so from the back wall of the shop. So I have a ton of space just in this area alone. And what does most people do? Blacksmiths abhor negative space, right? Like, we really want to fill in things, right? My goal in my new workshop is to keep things open, airy, and light. The reason for that being is I feel more inspired to work when I have room. You know, you have elbow room. If you're sitting down at a table eating a steak dinner, you don't want that big gorilla guy on the side of you huffing and puffing, scarfing down his steak, and another guy out here on this side of you, scarfing down their steak, and you're just sitting here trying to eat your own food, right? So we don't want to create that sort of thing in our workshops to begin with if we can help it. I've worked in a 6x10 shed, moved up to a 12x20 building, and now here's my new workshop, which this is only one portion of it. We went from a 12x20 building to a 40x50 building, so about 2,000 square feet up from 240 square feet. So that's pretty amazing jump there. And the first thing you think you'd want to do is buy more tools, fill more space, but that's exactly contrary to what I plan on doing. I have all the tools I really realistically need for what I work on a daily basis, and that's what I'm hoping to just continue with for a while. I plan on putting most of my money and effort into the shop to things like lighting. Those little bulbs you see on that side is not enough. Doing pretty type things, making the shop really feel like a comfortable space to get work done in. So step one of setting up this new workshop in this video series, we'll be working on lighting. It'll be working on shifting all this equipment that you see around here and getting some electrical outlets installed. These are just some basic electrical outlets. In your area, you're going to want to check with your local codes and things like that, and building inspectors and whatnot to verify that you can put them in by yourself. If you need to get a licensed electrician out, a lot of times you can wire the place and a licensed electrician will do a panel. I already have electrical here, so it's a pre-existing thing. That's kind of what happens. So if you're looking for a new space, maybe look for something with pre-existing electrical, because then you can kind of upgrade some things without having to go through all the hassle of getting inspections and things like that done, as long as you're competent with wiring electricity. Nobody wants to take and be the end of that flash. You don't want to be the fusible link between two electrodes, okay? So be safe if you're going to do those sort of things. But we're going to take and get busy working at this. This is just a really quick precursor video, just kind of show you some of what I'm working with. There's another big area just out beyond this wall over here, a giant area that's going to become my forging area, and it doesn't need as much electricity. But I look forward to bringing you all along for this great ride and sharing you my thoughts. So be looking forward to the next video, and as always, God bless you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you would like to support content like this and see more videos like this, please check out our website over at blacksmithpdfs.com and consider purchasing a power hammer plan there. That's it for today. God bless. We'll catch you on the next one.